Wild Fennec. Travel enthusiasts sometimes customize existing vehicles in unexpected ways to make them more suitable for the wilderness. This is how Bryce Bader transformed an ordinary Land Rover Defender 110 into the perfect vehicle for reconnecting with nature. Land Rover Defender 110 is an almost perfect, even iconic off-road vehicle. While its 9-foot wheelbase may not match that of motorhomes, it offers plenty of space for customization. The vehicle was modified to conquer nature and live in the wild. The rear part opens up to create a spacious entrance into a small house and extends upward, forming a second floor. The best part? With just a press of a button, the car transforms into a living space in a mere 43 seconds. Once you arrive at your destination, simply press the button and marvel at the unfolding structure before settling into your 2-story home. It comes equipped with all the amenities you might need: a kitchen, a toilet, and even a shower. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious and comfortable bed that rivals any regular sleeping spot. Any Land Rover Defender 110 can be customized in a similar fashion. The transformation will cost an additional $50,000 on top of the car's price, of course. This modified vehicle was named after a small fox found in the deserts of North Africa. Naturally, one might wonder why a tough off-road vehicle shares the same name as an endearing creature. It's possible that the creator was inspired by the Fennec fox's ability to thrive in the challenging conditions of wild landscapes. Tactical floating bridge. It'd seem these are ordinary trucks carrying some kind of cargo, but as soon as they approach the water, their cargo area unfolds and turns into a platform that can be used to transport anything, such as vehicles, across the river. The platform has the capability to function independently as a ferry, carrying vehicles, and can also be utilized as part of a temporary bridge made from multiple platforms. Deploying a bridge allows replacing a damaged or destroyed crossing, restoring the flow of traffic and people. Setting up and utilizing such a bridge requires a minimal workforce of only 33 people per 328-foot bridge. However, it's important to bear in mind that using this bridge comes with certain limitations. For instance, the height of the riverbank should not exceed 10 feet, and the river's current speed should not exceed 10 feet per second. These limitations make sense, as a high riverbank would cause the platform to plunge into the water upon detachment, potentially sinking to the bottom. Similarly, if the current is too strong, the platform could be carried away in an unpredictable direction, with the added risk of tipping over. However, this approach won't work for specific bodies of water, including the La Plata River in South America. As it merges with other rivers, the La Plata spans an extensive width of 30 miles and expands to a staggering 137 miles as it reaches the Atlantic Ocean. HiFi X. At first glance, this vehicle appears to be a typical modern car loaded with electronics and sporting a futuristic design. However, things are not as straightforward as they seem. One notable characteristic of HiFi X is its unique door configuration, setting it apart from conventional cars. In addition to the standard 4 doors, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear, there are 2 extra doors positioned above the rear doors that open upwards. These unique doors allow passengers to literally step inside the car rather than having to lower yourself. And they also provide an opportunity to lean out of the car to better experience its speed. Speaking of speed, HiFi X doesn't disappoint. This electric car is equipped with 2 motors, delivering a combined power of 598 horsepower and 820 newton-meters of torque, enabling a remarkable acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Moreover, passengers can relish the thrill of a fast ride for over 310 miles of travel on a single charge. Another intriguing aspect of HiFi X is its multitude of sensors. The vehicle has approximately 600 of them. These sensors enable the car to continuously analyze incoming data and learn autonomously, remembering the owner's driving style and even the preferences of the passengers. Additionally, these sensors allow the car to interact with other vehicles and smart infrastructure, creating a dynamic and interconnected driving experience. If you're fluent in Chinese, you can even talk with HiFi X. You can control and manipulate its various functions using voice commands as well. Rex. These are not just trucks, but a means of effective defense from Geno Motors. They have the amazing ability to erect barricades 26 feet long at the touch of a button in just 60 seconds. The mobile walls need the same amount of time to collapse. The walls are bulletproof, as they can withstand 9mm bullets. The truck can carry up to 19 people, 3 in the cab and 16 in the body. This vehicle has more to offer. Alongside protective barriers, the trucks are equipped with powerful water cannons and an 1,850-gallon tank. One water cannon is positioned on top, capable of shooting water up to 230 feet away. The cabin also features a water cannon installed in the lower front part. Additionally, there's another water cannon located on the side. Notably, these trucks can also serve as firefighting vehicles by using a unique fire extinguishing mixture instead of water. RCP-75. A truck that offers the ability to raise and lower its rear platform may not appear particularly impressive or useful to some, but seasoned truck drivers recognize its immense benefits as it can greatly reduce the workload. RCP-75, with its platform that can be lowered to ground level, eliminates the need for movers to strain themselves while lowering and lifting heavy loads. Moreover, if unloading needs to be done at a location higher than the ground level, the truck has a function that allows raising the platform to a height of up to 63 inches. While the truck's standout feature is its unique and practical characteristic, it's important not to overlook the significance of payload capacity in this particular type of vehicle. RCP-75 can carry a payload of 7,200 pounds, which is enough for logistics operations over short to medium distances in urban environments. This makes it suitable for transporting various goods such as foodstuffs, garbage containers, and different equipment. Container scanner. At first glance, this massive truck may not appear remarkable, but once it gets to work, its true capabilities begin to shine. In its operational mode, it transforms into a fully equipped mobile research center, leaving no prohibited items undetected in any container. The truck offers multiple scanning options. It can either move and scan simultaneously or remain stationary while scanning objects in motion. The scanning process utilizes a special tool called a scan frame, enabling comprehensive scanning of objects. Notably, the scanning speed is quite impressive, reaching 4 miles per hour. EO. Think it's just a typical little electric car for urban commuting? Actually, EO is a truly amazing vehicle that takes urban mobility to a new level. The car boasts a unique transformation capability enabled by a special drive system. By pressing the rear end with wheels against the front end, the body of the car can be raised, reducing its length from an already compact 7 feet to 5 feet. This function proves not only useful for parking in tight spaces, but also enables efficient maneuverability and navigation in city environments when in its compact form. Another notable feature of the car is its ability for all 4 wheels to turn independently. This enables impressive maneuvers such as diagonal movement, sideways motion, and even turning on the spot. Undoubtedly, this car is designed for transportation in limited urban spaces. When it comes to speed, the car offers sufficient capability for leisurely travel on city streets, reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. The car is powered by 4 electric motors, 1 for each wheel, and draws its energy from a battery pack, providing a range of approximately 31 to 43 miles. If you're still not impressed by all these specs, you might appreciate the car's design. With EO, it's possible to attach to other cars from the same series. How can this come in handy? Well, this would allow group trips or let you tow a broken down car. The ability to turn all 4 wheels is an immensely useful technology that's poised to become widespread in the future. Check out Honda's Synergy concept, for example. It provides a glimpse of the potential appearance of SUVs in a couple of decades. These SUVs will be electric and will undoubtedly incorporate independent suspension for each wheel. Folding road. Building a road is a time-consuming and expensive undertaking, and not every type of terrain is suitable for traditional paving with asphalt or other standard materials. However, there's a vehicle that can come to the rescue. With its remarkable capabilities, it helps vehicles navigate through sandy, swampy, or snowy terrain. This truck can even lay roads at the bottom of water bodies up to a depth of 4 feet. It performs its tasks swiftly with minimal manpower. Laying 164 feet of road takes approximately 10 minutes, while folding the road back takes around 20 minutes, requiring only 2 people. But how reliable are these temporary roads? Although they may not appear robust at first glance, the road surface slabs are entirely made of cast steel, ensuring their resistance to rust and providing anti-slip properties through rounded elements on the top side. FireBull. A fire truck with a huge water cannon on tracks? Well, why not? Well, it looks more like a tank than a firefighting vehicle, but there's a reason FireBull looks so intimidating. It makes it effective for extinguishing forest fires. The fire truck is equipped with tracks for a specific reason. This design reduces the pressure on the surface it traverses, enabling the truck to operate safely in challenging terrains like soil, peat, or bogs. Alongside the tracks, the FireBull features a 310 horsepower engine, making it a truly all-terrain vehicle, albeit not very fast, with a maximum speed of only 8 miles per hour. The fire suppression system itself is also intriguing. It utilizes air core technology, which creates an airflow generated by a turbine to disperse water mist. The cannon effectively deploys the mist, capable of reaching distances of up to 262 feet with a water flow rate of up to 1,245 gallons per minute. MonoTracer. What at first glance appears to be a small electric car is actually a cabin motorcycle. What truly sets it apart is its unique design, a 2-wheeled vehicle enclosed in a capsule-like structure. The MonoTracer is equipped with retracted support wheels on either side of the cabin. These wheels are controlled by a computerized system to prevent any accidental deployment. The power of the MonoTracer depends on the chosen engine. One option is a gasoline engine sourced from BMW, delivering an output of 114 horsepower. In this configuration, the motorcycle transforms into a sort of fighter jet, capable of reaching a maximum speed of 149 miles per hour. You can also opt for an electric motor with a battery pack, which provides a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge. Motorcycles are a real haven for designers and fans of customizations. For example, there's an amazing custom BMW R9T designed by Fabman Creations. This vehicle was inspired by fighter jets, which is why it got a streamlined monochrome design. Concept IAA. This car can easily be hailed as the benchmark for future Mercedes-Benz business sedans. It embodies technology, speed, elegance, and luxury. However, there's one more feature that truly sets Concept IAA apart: its innovative nature. When going below 50 miles per hour, the car drives like a typical Mercedes sedan. But once you exceed the speed limit, it transforms into one of the most aerodynamic vehicles on the road. The front, rear, and side panels undergo a remarkable transformation, reducing the coefficient of aerodynamic drag. The rear section extends by 15 inches, minimizing turbulence at high speeds. Additionally, the active rims change their shape from 2.2 inches to 0, creating a smooth surface. This brings Concept IAA to its ultimate form, like a guided missile racing against the wind. With a top speed of 155 miles per hour, you can truly experience its aerodynamic prowess. Car manufacturers come up with intriguing solutions in their attempts to reduce aerodynamic drag. A prime example is the Volkswagen XL1, where the rear wheels are cleverly concealed within the body, creating the illusion of a 2-wheeled vehicle. HAR's 6x6 CBRN. Armored vehicles are rugged and functional vehicles that are built for a multitude of purposes. One such purpose is the detection of chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear weapons. The PARS 6x6 CBRN was created for this extremely dangerous mission. This vehicle is an armored personnel carrier built upon the foundation of a regular PARS 6x6, but it's been equipped with a wide array of additional gear, enabling it to carry out crucial tasks. The most remarkable feature of this vehicle is its capability to collect samples and handle hazardous substances without the need for crew members to leave the vehicle. A dedicated glove box has been incorporated for this purpose, equipped with specialized devices for taking samples, as well as gloves for crew members to carry out necessary manipulations. Once the samples are collected, the vehicle uses all the necessary equipment for the subsequent analysis and identification. In order to ensure crew safety in hazardous environments, the vehicle has various safety equipment. For instance, there are gamma radiation detectors that alert the crew to any radiation hazard. The vehicle also features 3 chemical detection units that continuously monitor the presence of toxic substances both inside and outside the vehicle. Muse. Dubai-based W Motors and Iconic Motors joined forces to introduce Muse, a fully electric self-driving car. This vehicle can be described as a compact yet luxurious and stylish conference room. The vehicle's luxury begins with its exterior, which goes beyond a futuristic design and includes unique doors. Although there are only 2 of them, they open upward, allowing you to step into the car instead of the usual process of lowering yourself inside. Once inside the car, you can see that the front seats can be turned around to face the rear seats, which creates an opportunity for the most convenient communication between all the people in the car. Additionally, this self-driving car is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a level 4 to 5 autonomous control system, an innovative interface, and connectivity to a cloud-based remote control and monitoring system.